Hi yogis, my name is Meg. I'm a teacher here at Denver Yoga Social. Today we're practicing at the aquarium and I'm going to be showing you guys Virabhadrasana I or Warrior I. We'll start in a downward facing dog. Bring your back toes to touch for a little extra stability. Inhale your right leg high. And then exhale, pull your knee into your nose, gently stepping your right foot between your front hands. Your feet should be on railroad tracks for extra stability. And then we're gonna rotate our back heel 90 degrees down so your toes are pointing towards the front edge of your mat. Gently become on top of your fingertips, engage your core, and then lift your hands overhead. You should have a deep bend in your right knee, pushing your right knee off to the right edge of the mat so you're not dumping in. Back foot is straight, hands are up high, fingertips spiraling in, biceps by your ears. You can have your distance between your legs, any distance that feels right for you. It could be in closer, and this is still Warrior I. The more advanced you get, you can have a deeper bend in your right knee, maybe widening your stance, and then just sinking in, Warrior I.